Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the power button on DELL 7320 Detachable. As you can see, when I click on the power button, it doesn't do a thing. That's because some settings might have been changed, and I'm gonna show you how to fix them to bring them back to defaults or adjust them yourself. So the first thing you need to do is to open Control Panel. So I'm gonna click on the Windows logo, then start searching for Control Panel. Open that, then go to System and Security, then Power Options. You can click on Change what the power buttons do, and here are a few options. You can see that they apply on battery or when plugged in, so they will be different. And you can set it for when I press the power button, when I press the sleep button, and when I close the lid. I'm gonna just adjust them for this top power button. And you can see that it's set to do nothing on battery. When I now set it to sleep or hibernate or shut down and save changes, now this button will actually work. And you can also, instead of sleep, set it to, for example, power off. So whenever you click on that button, it will automatically power off your device. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.